Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to manual clean the Canon ip2770 without using your laptop. So if you want to clean this one using this button here, you need a just wait. um, First blink will be cleaning, second blink will be printing sample. For example, I'm gonna press the first blink, long press, release. The first blink meaning that the printer will clean. You hear that, folks? You hear that? It's cleaning. So I'm gonna push this because maybe it will take some time. So it's not yet done. By the way, guys, I have lots of troubleshooting here, like this one, that one, that one, that one, and more. Lots of need to be repaired. This one, this one. So it's done. The next thing we do is we need to test sample print. You need to hold it and release when the lights blink twice. Press hold. 1, 2. Release. As in release. Once you release that, you will test print the sample page. See? You see that? So, okay, that's all, guys. Manual, turn off.